I wasn't originally aware that you could do a degree through the college. I thought university was the only way to really do it. But once I was made aware of it, it's suited me so much more because it's been so much more flexible, it's giving me more opportunities, and it's also been a lot more personal.
Doing an apprenticeship in Gower College Swansea is just an extraordinary thing you're able to do. If you've got the opportunity to go for it, I definitely encourage you.
The support that I received from my course tutor and the team as a whole really enabled me to get through my qualification, graduating and being able to say I have a degree in housing. Yeah, I did it.
You do gain skills, you'll gain knowledge that you thought you would never know, you gain skills that you knew you had but you needed refreshing on, and you can apply it straight away in industry, which is quite unique to the apprenticeship programmes.
The major benefits of studying my degree at Gower College Swansea is the support from your lectures, small classes, the flexibility, and any concerns you have about work or anything, or work-life balance, your lecturers are there to support you.